Alright, so in today's video we are going to be learning how to create a responsive image section. Alright, so this is my desktop and I have a folder here. If I double click on the folder, you see I have two text files, index and style. Then I also have a folder, so this folder contains image. So I have some images here. So I have arc-tech logo, I have image large, image medium, and I also have small and pattern, then series 5. So I will just minimize this. Let's quickly go to the Visual Studio Code. So this is my Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, I have the two text files here, the index and the style CSS, and also the image here. So these are the image. Good. So now quickly, I comment here already how to create a responsive image. So I will just hit enter, and the first thing I have to do is I need to create a section for this. So I will just say section. So now I have a section tag. So inside the section here, I need to give it a class name, and the class name is going to be responsive image section. Yes, so let's call it that, so we will be able to remember. So quickly, the next thing I have to do is I need to add an image tag, img, then hit enter. Inside here I have to just do /, because the image is inside a folder, so that's how I can locate the image. So now I will click on the folder, then quickly I can come down to series 5 because that's the first image I will be using. Now here at where I have alt, I will just name this place a beautiful landscape. Yes, because the image is on landscape. Alright, so let me quickly save this and let's go back to the browser where we have our file. Let me minimize this for 1 minute. Inside the folder here, I have my index file. So this is my index file. So now I have to double click on the index file, so it will take me directly to the browser, so I can see the output of what I'm doing inside there. So this is my image, as you can see, is on landscape, series 5 navbar, HTML/CSS web dev. So now I will just minimize this and go back to my job. So now I have to start another one. The next thing I have to do here is let me just comment again, so we'll know what each of the section is about. So now this one is how to use source media. So I will just copy this and said how to use source media. Yes, so that's what I will just say about this. So quickly, I will create another section from here and just said section, and in this section I'm going to also give it a class name, and the class name of this section is also responsive image section. So yes, that's the name we are going to use for all the sections, so we don't make mistake. So here, responsive image section. Then I will just quickly come down and create a picture. So I call this a picture element because I'm loading all the pictures inside the picture element. So now quickly I will just say there, then I said source, that's my source. So inside the source is a self-closing tag, so I will just set source media. So the source media has to be, I will just set it as max width. Max width for this image is going to be, probably for this first image, I will just say the max width is 600 px. Yes, then I can come out and just say, since it's 600 px, src source set. The source set for this, I have to, how the source sets work, I have to first call one, the folder where the image is, before I can call the image. So alright, so quickly, the folder where the image is images and file. So I will just quickly say image file, this is it. Then I can add slash to it. Yes, then the image name is let me go and check the image. This is the image name, so I'm going to use pattern.jpg. so I will just go and say pattern .jpg. so that's the first image. So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one so that I can add other ones. Yes, so I will just duplicate this. So this is what I have. I will change the second image size to maybe 1000 or 1024. Yes, then I will change the image name to image small. So I will just say this one is for image small. Yes, so I will now say this one, the size has to be 1025, and I will change the name to image, maybe image medium, since I have image medium there also. Now I have 3 images here, so and the picture closes here. So let's save this first before we go to the next one. So I will save this, go back to my browser and refresh it. So now I have set them already. All I need to do is not responding because the CSS has not been done yet. So but quickly, I just want us to be done with this HTML structure. So I will just do the last one and add another section to this. And again, this section class name is also the same thing we have as responsive image section. Then I will say I want the div class. Let me add a div class to this. 1 minute. Alright, so I will just add a div class to this, and the class name is equals to background container. Yes, background hyphen and container. So don't worry, once we style it in our next class, once we style it, you are going to see the output of what it looks like. So now this image container in this div class, I will have to just create another one. So now, or maybe let's leave this one like this till we get to the next section. Thank you for watching.